Hi, and welcome to Coddy Coding Lessons. I'm your friendly instructor Barak, here to make coding fun for everyone. So, what is coding? Think of coding as giving instructions to a computer, just like telling a robot toy what to do. In fact, coding is like writing a recipe or a treasure map for the computer. You give it step-by-step instructions, and the computers follow them exactly. So if the instructions, the code, are in the right order and make sense, the computer will do something cool. If not, the computer gets confused, and that's okay, we'll learn by trying. So we'll be using a programming language called Python. Python is a great first language because it's easy to read. Its rules are so simple that even kids can learn it quickly. When we write code in Python, it's almost like writing in English. For example, a single command can tell the computer to print a message on the screen or do a calculation. Python is popular too. It's used in making games, websites, and all kinds of apps. That means the skills you learn now can help you create anything, from a fun game to a useful tool someday. So why learn coding? Coding teaches you how to solve problems and create things, and it's okay if you're completely new. We'll start with the very basics. In this series, each lesson will be a short, standalone mini adventure. By the end, you'll know how to make Python say hello, use variables to remember information, loop through repetitive tasks, and more. Ready to get started? Let's jump into coding with Coddy and have some fun.